Hey, good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here from Las Vegas. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day out, so I decided to do today's video outside. And today's another one of those unboxings of this product right here. It's a little bit different video than I'm usually used to. Our adventures out with travel adventures with food and hotel room tours and theme parks and things that interest me on 2 and 4 wheels. But today we have this portable mini refrigerator freezer from Euhomy. Before we get into today's adventure, let's go ahead and do a little housekeeping. Give this video a nice like and thumbs up. And if the YouTube algorithm somehow brought you here to this unboxing of this refrigerator, be sure to subscribe down below for more and take it one step further and turn on notifications. Hey, thanks. And weighing in at 120 pounds, just kidding, it's only 22 pounds. Can you believe that, my friends? 22 pounds for this. If you think about it, it's almost like a cooler that's portable. And instead of filling it with ice, it's already got bogged down with all of its guts in there of the electronics to keep this thing super cool. And got this from Amazon. Again, this is Euhomy. And it ranges in price. Regular retail price is $149 for this, and I got it for $121, so it occasionally goes on sale. So you have your power cord that plugs in right over here on the side, and it's powered up 3 different ways, whether it's 110 through the regular plug through your house. You can plug it in with the 12-volt adapter or the power station if you are on the go. What I like about this is that all the controls are here up on the front with these touch buttons. That's the power on button. Your settings, you have medium and high settings. So if you want to crank it up to high, it'll cool it super fast. So it'll get it down to about, don't quote me, but I think the instructions said around from 50 degrees to, I want to say 15 degrees in about 15 minutes. So inside the box came with this little gadgetry. And these are the cables. So you have, again, your standard 110 and 12-volt cable there. It comes with for some reason, a microfiber cloth in there. But what you're probably most interested in are the dimensions. Outer dimensions, according to this, is about 22 inches by 13 inches. By 10 and a half, almost 11 inches. And what's really cool is this can fit actually in the front seat of your vehicle. And that's the inner dimension. So the inner dimensions runs about a little shy of 14 there by a little shy of 10 by 8. Comes with a little chain so that the top doesn't go flying off. And there's a built-in gasket to keep things nice and cool. And I did run this for about an hour yesterday, and it got down to exactly 0 degrees, freezing, which is pretty awesome for 1 hour. Has a built-in USB plug right here at the top if you want to utilize that. Super cool. And it has carry handles right there on the side. So again, my friends, as far as dimensions, the inner dimensions, I know those are super important to most people. Let's just go by centimeters. So it's 35 centimeters by 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So again, this has plenty of room to fit a 6-pack plus extra things like a sandwich or leftovers, whatever it may be in there. Again, outer dimensions, you're looking at 56 centimeters by 32 centimeters by 28 centimeters. It's got cup holders at the top and this little grippy thing. So if you are traveling next to it and you have it in your passenger seat, feel free to go ahead and put it at some sort of level surface. What I suggest is to take some towels and roll it up, because you know how seats are kind of at an angle, and wedge it underneath the seat so that this can stay nice and level. You know what I mean? Kind of wedge maybe some towels or whatever you have that's handy in there, and plug it on in, which is super cool. So again, the plug plugs right on the side, and you can plug it into your regular 110 outlet there, or the 12-volt cigarette lighter right there. So again, thanks for joining me on today's quick unboxing of the Euhomy refrigerator slash freezer that's portable for your car. If you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure.